Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have air-fried pasta chips. To start, we have 2 cups of farfalle pasta that I've cooked up al dente. To our 2 cups of pasta, I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil that I kind of just splashed all around there. Then a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Then just grab a spoon and mix everything until it is well coated. Then you want to set an air fryer to 400 degrees. And basically, you just want to take about a quarter of your pasta things that have been coated in the Parmesan and all that, and spread that on a basket. Then you want to let this air fry for 5 minutes. Now, when they do come out, a lot of the times they're going to be stuck together. So what I did was I transferred them to a plate, let them cool down for a few minutes, and then separated them myself. All right, let's jump ahead a little bit in time through the magic of cooking show editing. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our air fryer pasta chips are done. They're great just on their own. If you wanted to have a little dipping sauce, maybe whip up a little marinara sauce. These did not last long. Everyone loved them. And yeah, so that's air fryer pasta chips. Done.